you know what? Sometimes the messier it is, the prettier it is. Hi everyone, Liv here again. Tie-dye is back and bigger than ever. I do feel like I'm back in summer camp, but these are so elevated because they feature some of our favorite items from the WeddingWire shop, so your whole wedding party can rock this trend with you. So let's get started. Step one is all about prepping your workstation. Because I am tie-dyeing inside in my lovely studio apartment, I wanna make sure my area is protected. So I have a tablecloth, I have some gloves that I'm going to put on, and then I have a lovely apron. It goes so well with my eyes. So the first project I'm going to be doing is called the Scrunch Technique. We all know how much I love projects that have no really right or wrong way of doing it, and this is that project. So I am using a Let's Get Naughty tie t-shirt because it has a little tie to tie it at the bottom. Really fitting for this project, tie-dye, get it? So anyway, we are going to be working with this shirt. It says, Let's Get Naughty right in the middle. So I am going to put my gloves on because, again, you don't really want to tie-dye your hands. So now it is time to scrunch. So you're just going to take parts of your shirt and just scrunch it up any way you like. Looks like a mess right now, but you know what? Sometimes the messier it is, the prettier it is. And now we're gonna take rubber bands and we're just going to wrap the shirt with the rubber bands. The more rubber bands you use, the more scrunch you will have. I actually wet the shirt first. This way, if you have a damp shirt before you tie-dye, it will make sure the ink stays. Okay, so our lovely t-shirt turned into a scrunch ball looking thing. So now, moving on to the tie-dye. Are we ready? So for the color scheme for this shirt, I'm actually going to be using different shades of blue. I feel like it's fitting for the nautical theme. So here goes nothing. So we are going to squeeze the ink in different sections of the shirt. Ooh, this is a nice navy color. Oh, I'm really wishing I was at a beach right now. All these beautiful like colors, these blue colors just like resemble the ocean. Now it's time for the not so fun part, waiting. I'm so impatient, I just want to see what my masterpiece looks like. But we're actually going to store our tie-dye shirt in a Ziploc bag or plastic wrap for about 8 to 16 hours. But good thing is, we have more projects to tie-dye, so let's get set up for the next project. Let's move into a more complicated design, which is the spiral swirl. So this is your traditional tie-dye look. We are going to take our fingers and locate the middle of our sweatshirt and just twist it into like almost like a cinnamon bun kind of style design. So here is your swirl. So it's going to make that really cool circular design. And now we are going to take our rubber bands and we're going to put the rubber bands almost like into a pizza slice. So as you can see, it does look like a pizza with 6 individual wedges. So that's where you're going to choose the colors and apply the colors. You want to try to avoid putting complementary colors right next to each other, or it can turn into a brown mess, which is not a good look. So place colors next to each other that if they are blended together, they will make a beautiful color. So for example, red and blue would make purple, yellow and red would make orange. So now all we have to do is let the dye do its magic. So we'll sit and wait. I still have a lot of tie-dye left, so let's move on to the next project. So our next project, we are going to be tie-dyeing some knee-high socks. So this will make for a great photo opportunity because if you purchase a customized kimono or button-down shirt and wear your tie-dye knee-highs, it'll give off that risky business kind of look. So for our socks, we're going to just fold them like so, tie our rubber bands around our socks. I am going to go with a monochromatic color scheme of some pinks, and then I was feeling crazy and I picked up an orange colored dye. Ooh, oh yeah, I'm liking this. Just going crazy over here. We are going to tuck our pair of socks in this Ziploc bag. This will be their home for the next few hours. I am having way too much fun tie-dyeing, so I have one more trick up my non-existent sleeve. So let's get into it. So our final project is a canvas tote, which will be perfect for storing all of your batch party essentials or even your wedding day essentials. This design is called the Sailor Stripe. So this is great for your nautical shirt that we tie-dyed before. So we are going to fold our tote bag, tuck the straps like that. Between all these tie-dye projects, your wedding party is going to be set. So I ran out of rubber bands, so I think this is a great place to stop tying and now get to coloring. I am going to use some reds, some blues, some greens. So it's looking great. And lastly, just like in every other project, let's store our tote bag in a Ziploc bag so it can sit overnight. I am surrounded by all things tie-dye, and the next time you'll see me is for the big reveal. So our projects have been sitting for 24 hours. I got so tired of waiting and I was so into the tie-dyeing that I dyed my hair. Our dye has set. I put my gloves back on. So let's see how this turned out. Wow, I put a lot of rubber bands. Oh my goodness. I think I have a new job, a new calling, and that's tie-dyeing. Oh my goodness. Wow. So it really does look like a ombre sunset. This is so colorful and fun. I'm gonna bring it over to the sink and give it a good rinse. I'm officially a tie-dye master. Make sure to give your items another quick wash and dry before you start to wear them. And don't forget to check out the WeddingWire shop for even more sweatshirt, t-shirts, party accessories, you name it. And of course, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the WeddingWire channel for even more DIY videos. I'll see you guys next time, probably wearing one of these tie-dye items. Bye.